How to open a Goldman Sachs account. Start by going to the Goldman Sachs website at https://www.goldmansachs.com. Scroll down and look for Marcus, then click on it, or type marcus.com directly into your browser. Once the page loads, choose the type of account you want to open, like an online savings account or high-yield CD. Let's go with the online savings account. Enter the required information as seen here. Continue filling in your details, ensuring they're accurate. Set up your password and security information. Add your phone number, and choose a secret word for extra security. Select Create Secret Word, and that's it. Your account is now ready.